Hey guys, today's video, let's fix Instagram not loading. So first of all, if your Instagram is not loading, the main culprit could be your internet connection. Go ahead and recheck your Wi-Fi. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, switch it to your mobile data and see if it changes anything. Next, let's go ahead update our Instagram application. So head over to your Play Store, search for Instagram. If you see update, select update and update your app. Lastly, what you could try is head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and select apps. Here also, you're going to have to search for Instagram. And here, scroll below, select storage. Clear the cache. Come back onto app info page, select force stop, then select OK. And lastly, restart a device, launch your Instagram, and it will definitely fix the problem. If it's still not working, then you could try using Instagram via a web browser for maybe a couple hours, and definitely your application will work. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.